How to navigate Ben the Box for background checks. Imagine applying for a job and feeling like your past might hold you back before anyone even gets to know your skills. That's what Ben the Box laws aim to change. These laws control when and how employers can ask about criminal records during hiring. They usually requiring removing questions about criminal history from initial applications. Instead, employers wait until later in the process, often after an interview or a conditional job offer. This gives everyone a fair shot to show their qualifications first. To follow these rules, employers should first remove any checkboxes or questions about criminal history from job applications. This stops early screening based on past mistakes. Next, delay background checks and criminal history inquiries until after the candidate has been screened through interviews or a job offer. This way, applicants are judged on their skills and experience first. When considering criminal history, employers must do what is called an individualized assessment. They should look at the type and seriousness of the offense, how long ago it happened, and if it's relevant to the job. This helps prevent unfair exclusions and reduces discrimination claims. If an employer decides not to hire someone because of their criminal record, they must follow specific procedures. They need to give the candidate a copy of the background check, let them respond, and notify them of the final decision. Employers should also avoid asking about arrests that did not lead to convictions or diversion programs. These do not necessarily reflect a person's ability to do the job. Transparency is important too. Employers can tell applicants that background checks will happen later in the process, but they cannot ask about criminal history upfront. It's also vital to stay aware of different laws in each state or city. Some places have stricter rules about when and how criminal records can be used. Employers must keep their hiring policies updated to match local laws. Lastly, avoid asking about disabilities or requiring medical exams before making a conditional job offer. These are separate legal protections and should be handled carefully. Following these steps helps employers stay compliant with Ben the Box laws. It also promotes fair hiring practices that focus on what candidates can do, not just what's in their past. This approach supports a smooth employment process from application through onboarding, making sure everyone gets a fair chance.